I'm Aaliya Banu Shamnad.
And I'm Samyutha Arumugam.
We are 6th grade students from New Middle International School, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. We are so excited to share our project with you today. Together, we created a 360-meter long, colorful paper chain. This project took us 180 hours of teamwork, creativity, and patience. We are proud to present it to you as a symbol of unity, love, and peace. Our paper chain is made of different colored paper, just like people around the world. Each color is unique, but when they come together, they create something beautiful. This represents how people, despite their differences, can unite and bring harmony in times when war divides nation. We want to remind everyone that love, unity, and peace are what truly makes the world strong.
We carefully cut, folded, and glued A4 paper with utmost precision to create this chain. Each link represents our hard work, patience, and teamwork. This project taught us that small efforts, when put together, can create something big and powerful. We also faced challenges. Sometimes the paper tore or the glue didn't hold. But we never gave up. We kept going, improved our methods, and learned that perseverance and teamwork can solve any problem. Just like our chain, when people come together with love and understanding, they can overcome any challenge.
This achievement was made possible to the unwavering support of our parents and teachers. We also extend a heartfelt gratitude to the Kalam Book of Record team for acknowledging our efforts. Just like a paper chain, we believe that the world becomes stronger when people uplift and support one another.
Thank you all for being here to celebrate this special moment. We hope our paper chain inspires everyone to stay united, spread kindness, and believe in peace over war.
Now, let's reveal our creation and celebrate this achievement together.
Thank you for watching. Consider subscribe our channel Kalams World Records and click the bell icon. Like, comment down and share.